And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I drink my coffee black. Coffee. Hi, boys and girls. This is Uni. You're a famous Democrat, socialist, pink unicorn. Thank you, Uni. This is an update, folks, so I have to explain this slowly. August is baking mixes. You got a wide selection, cornbread, loaves, whatever. Uncle Al always has Big Squick. Of course, Uncle Al does his own baking mix. And a lot of you people, I know Hubble's cat will get upset, but Hubble's cat doesn't understand baking mixes. It's only good for 1 year. And I'll have a little bag of it. Okay, Nathan 4071, Jordan Jakenberg, Hubble's Cat EPL, also has a climate channel, Detroit Prepping, Winning with Irish Colleen and Lori Jean. Now, to get that done with really fast, Uncle Al is an old school kind of guy, and I'm the last of the constitutionalists because way the government's going and way out all the socialist Democrats. A lot of people don't understand the Democrats. I understand their history, and I don't care what the Democrat says. Okay, the Democrats were anti-constitutionalists. Now, a lot of people don't realize that, and a lot of people don't study history. That's why Wayne of West Wind Survival, I don't have his card, is studying history. Because a lot of colleges, they don't want you to know the truth because you're idiots. Tomorrow is Just in Time Prepping. That's Will's channel. Go in there, sign up for his VR contest. He'll explain it. He has all these messages how to get aboard, join it, and stuff like that. That's Will. Sorry, Will, just been too busy. Monday through Friday, see local time for that discussion panel, and his regular hours are right there. Wrote it down so you kids can remember. Okay. We've got everybody here. Okay. I'm going to take off the cheapo light filter because Uncle Alan got glaucoma. I can't see too well. Okay, August is baking mixes. September is mashed potatoes. October is fats and cooking oils. November is baking staples. December is spices, condiments, and vinegar. Okay, you got less than 4 months and 1 week. Hey, 2 weeks flies, kids. You should have enough food and water for 4 people. Okay? I don't want to go over that because we are running out of time. And I have to keep this short because a lot of you are on mobile phone and they don't understand what's Uncle Alan's talking about. That's fine. Now, AKFab was asking me a question. She couldn't get guns. She can't afford it. And she lives in a horrible apartment on the 5th floor. Well, first thing is you have to bug out. You cannot live in the apartment for 2 reasons. Lack of water and your toilet. Now everybody's looking at me, but Uncle Alan, don't poo go down the toilet? Not if you live in a high-rise apartment. If you are on the 5th floor and they have 12 more floors above you, guess where it's coming up? First 5 floors of your apartment. Things run on gravity, and you don't want to be walking inch deep or 2 feet of poo. That's why you always have to evacuate after a certain period of time. Same goes with trailers. But people don't listen to Uncle Alan. Why? Because Uncle Alan thinks they think Uncle Alan's nuts. which is,
No, 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 no.
okay, Uncle Alan isn't nuts. All right? That's why he's against the red flag laws, and everybody should read up on their Constitution, because once that amendment goes and these Democrats get in power, a lot of Hispanic people and a lot of black people, African Americans, I can speak slowly enough. You're going to be surprised when the 14th, 13th, and 12th Amendment is gone, and you're up a creek with no paddle. On 15th, excuse me. Okay? No
No!
idea. But Uncle Al, isn't the Democrats our friend? They give us a wonderful problem. Promises. No, it's all a lie. Wake up, America. Okay? And also, they're starting to get wise to Antifa. But isn't Antifa a resistance movement for the Democrats? No, they're the current terrorist organization for the Democrats. A lot of people don't understand that the Democrats use certain strong arm groups from the KKK to other groups, and then now it's Antifa. Now, if you smell the slimy trail and trace it really carefully, sorry, Uncle Alan gets a little excited. I don't want to throw up. Little water. You don't want to see coffee coming out of Uncle Alan. Okay, and Steve will have. Okay, Steve, of course, they're trainers. But Steven lives in LA and probably already got 5Gs through his head too many times. Okay, back to KFAB. She was asking me about a weapon that she can get and use effectively. Okay. Now, I did have a package of these. I made sure I took out one. Because, again, my nephews took all my packages and they ripped off all my ready-made darts. Now, you put a cotton ball and some glue and some black thread and you make a dart. It should be airtight so it goes into a tube. I prefer something a little bit smaller and sturdier. It goes in there, and that you could see it should be in the center, and you can fire it through by blowing it. Okay, there's a lot of videos on YouTube shows you how to make these things. All right, Uncle Alan don't have the time and explain how to do it because you should be smarter by then. Doesn't cost much. 50 cents for Elmer's glue. You get a tube a little smaller than this. See that, kids? Okay, could be cardboard, could be metal, could be plastic, but about 3 feet long with no obstructions. See? No obstructions. And it should have enough cotton mass or a paper cone if you don't have cotton balls. Cotton balls, less than $1 at Dollar Tree. Same thing where I had 2 packs of Stewards, bamboo Stewards, 12 inches or 10 inches long. Makes a lethal weapon. You get punched in the head. I always tell them it's good enough. You can punch them in the eyes, the nose, the throat, eardrum, side of the head, anywhere there's no bony material. And you want to hit them direct. Now, Uncle Alan does cheat. I do coat these with a biological or chemical formula. And usually they die in 3 or 4 days if I don't hit them in the right spot. So anyway, I can't show you anything more than that. You can buy this, this, and this at your local grocery store. We watch KFAB walk by them. But she wasn't paying attention, Uncle Al. Nobody pays any attention. Okay, kids, I gotta sign off right now. And Corsair trainers, hey Steve, give a big shout out. If you want to learn stuff, go check out Steve's channel. Uncle Alan is on a time limit. I only have 940 videos to go. Then I got a book, Plan H, followed by Plan J, followed by Plan I. And you're on your own, kids. Bye.